A lot of people think AI is just for funny videos, images, and movies. And yes, that part is fun. But what most people don't realize is that AI is one of the fastest ways to save money, cut overhead, and create systems that work for you around the clock. As an AI consultant, I help small businesses and individuals stop doing everything manually. Answering messages, chasing leads, repeating the same tasks, and replace that with smart automation and AI agents. That means less stress, lower costs, and more time to focus on what actually makes you money. And if you're ready to learn how to use AI the right way, not as a trend, but as a tool, I'd love for you to join me for free at the AI Summit with my coach, Alicia Little. This is about building smart systems that work while you sleep. This right here is what most people miss about AI. It's not about replacing people. It's about replacing busy work. AI can answer your messages, qualify leads, schedule appointments, and run systems in the background while you focus on growth. When used correctly, AI doesn't just save time. It saves money and creates new income opportunities. And that's exactly what I help people build.
If you're serious about your future with AI, you don't want to miss this. Join us at the AI Summit, January 14th through the 16th.